Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this lecture, I will show you to set up your TinkerCad account, and then I will show you a simple LED blinking program with Arduino in TinkerCad. So just go to your browser and search for tinkercad.com. Okay. So this is a cloud-based platform where you can perform your virtual Arduinos, or you can set up your virtual circuits and program them in virtual manner. It is not supporting in IoTs, but I am showing you to because I want to show you the multiple ways to program an Arduino. Okay, so create an account with this TinkerCad. So I have already my account in this. So while you created your account in TinkerCAD and open your login your account, so you can see your dashboard looks like this. So here you have multiple options. You can create your 3D designs. You can build your own circuits. You can code in a code blocks manner. You can get some lessons through the TinkerCAD community. So I am suggesting you to go to the circuits and hit on create new circuit. So here you can see multiple options are available in the TinkerCAD dashboard. Here you can write your code. This is the start simulation button. Here you can see your code is actually worked or not. Of course, here there is no option to upload your code or debugging your code, but you can perform this as well. So let's select an Arduino from this portal. So this is an Arduino that I have selected in, and now let's select an LED. Now connect this LED. I'm not using any register here. Okay. Now let's move to the codes. Here you have multiple options. You can write your code in a blocks or code manner. You can write your code in a blocks manner, or you can write your code in a text manner that we have already used in Arduino part. So this is a simple LED blinking program that I have told you before. So let's change the pin mode. As I have connected my LED pin in to 12 pin, so I am selecting 12. Then select write down 12 and 12 also. Now start the simulation. Okay, there is a warning. That is the current warning because I did not connected any register. But this is I did not connected because I am just showing you to do this. Okay, so you need to connect a register, a proper register here. Okay, so this is the TinkerCAD. You can find many kind of other devices also. Like this is the basic components. You can find your microbit also. You can find your circuit assemblies like this, or you have also battery options multiples. You can find your DC motors. Okay, so there are multiple options available here, but it is not supported as a IoT because there is no ESP8266 or ESP32 modules here. Okay, so this is uh, the end of this lecture. I hope you like this. In future sections, I will show you to connect the ultrasonic sensor here or to connect a vibration motor or DC motor also. Thank you so much. I hope you watching this video. Please like and subscribe also to my channel. Thank you so much.